Today we will start Geography chapter 4, Agriculture. So agriculture means agri plus culture. Children, agri means soil and culture means cultivation. So when we cultivate anything by soil, that is known as cultivation. So children, as you know that our India is based on agro-based product. So there are three types of economic activities in our India. So first one is primary activities, and then secondary activities, and third is tertiary activity. So what is primary activity? Primary activities means the activity which is directly related with the soil, plant or dairy or fishing. For example, raw rice, or we may take the example of cotton also. So that is known as primary activities. And what is secondary activities? When the processing or manufacturing of the primary activities, that is known as secondary activities. Suppose I am giving one example, that cotton, we have produced cotton, and after the product of cotton, what we have to do to make it as fiber, we have to do some process. Okay, we have to do some process, and the cotton will have to go through a processing units. So that is known as, so for the processing we have to use the machines. So when we use any machinery thing, or we use any industrial machinery thing, that is known as secondary activities. So for the primary activities, when we use any kind of machinery things, and or for the processing of the primary activities, when we use any kind of machinery things, that is known as secondary activities. And which is known as tertiary activities? Tertiary activities means all the services which are required for both primary and secondary activities are tertiary activities. So for the tertiary activities, that primary and secondary activities are want some service to sell it in the market. Suppose we want transport, okay, to sell the product or to get it finish the product, we have to take some transport. So that transports are known as tertiary activities. Like some services, we need money, we need trucks or any kind of transport. So that transports, or that all the services are known as tertiary activities. Thank you, children. I hope you have understood. Here we will learn different types of culture. So there are 5 types of cultures: agriculture, pisciculture, viticulture, horticulture and sericulture. So what is agriculture? Agriculture means by extracting the natural resources, that is known as agriculture. Like for example, rice and wheat. Then pisciculture, breeding of fish, specially constructed pond and tank. The breeding of fish is known as pisciculture. Then viticulture, cultivation of grapes is known as viticulture. And horticulture, growing vegetables, flowers and fruits for commercial use is known as horticulture. And last is sericulture. So commercial rearing of silkworm is known as sericulture. So these are the 5 types of culture. Next, farm system. And in input, see children, seed, fertilizer, machinery and labor. And in input, when the processing is being happened, then we are getting output, that are crops, dairy and poultry.